So let's get it focus. Another. Here we go. Now this is a perfect example of how they do you. See how in line it is. See that? You'll see it in a minute. I'll zoom in for some reason. Yeah, that's this is the technique that's done to try and harass you. Perfect example, anyway, of that harassment. And this has been going on basically since I uploaded my videos here. There was a noticeable spike in the targeting from especially aircraft, but also cars started revving outside my block. This block, not my block. This isn't Sheffield, this is I'm not going to say where this area is, but it's near Sheffield, but it's you see the X-Master spot as well there. But yeah, this is it's about 20 miles away, something like that. Yeah, they have it.